Assigning schedules in Dominion allows the schedule to show on the employee's time card and can generate exceptions or flags to show when an employee punches outside of that schedule. They can even prompt the system to apply attendance points to employees automatically. Employees can still clock in and out without a schedule, but the system will not be able to let you or the supervisor know if an employee was early, late, or anything else dependent on the schedules. There are multiple ways a schedule can be assigned to your employees. The first is a recurring schedule. Recurring schedules are used for employees who typically work the same schedule each week. To create a recurring schedule, go to Time and Attendance, Scheduling, Recurring Schedules. Once on this page, give your schedule a description. The description should be detailed enough that it's clear what the schedule encompasses. Next, enter a start and stop time for the schedule. Then, enter a start and end date. The end date is optional, so if you're not sure of an end date for this schedule, select No End Date so the schedule will be listed as indefinite. Select if the schedule is a daily or weekly schedule and how often it should occur. If a schedule is the same every week, you'll select Weekly every 1 week. Next, select which days should be applied for this schedule. The status, pay type, shift, and department filters can be used to filter out what types of employees are eligible for this schedule. The filtering options only work if all 4 fields are set. Last, choose if the schedule should be included on dates that have holidays set up. Also, if this schedule should be the override option for employees who have multiple schedules. Once the recurring schedule page is saved, you can assign the schedule to all employees who work this schedule. To do this, go to Time and Attendance, Employee, Assignment. Choose the needed schedule and select Save. You'll need to repeat this process for each different recurring schedule and all of your employees who work those schedules. Schedules can also be manually created using the Edit Schedule button that shows on the time card authorization page and punch calendar screens.